Well, I'm going to start with the most important thing, which is being able to browse the web and basic typing. When it comes to typing and browsing the web, I use a program called Dragon Professional Individual 15.0. The reason that I use Dragon to do all my typing is mostly due to the simplicity of how easy it is to create custom commands for things such as my email signature. My email signature only consists of 4 lines. I can create a custom phrase to type the whole thing just by saying insert my email signature. When you're a quadriplegic that has to type everything out one letter at a time, the ability to add custom commands really makes life easier. However, I don't always use Dragon for everything. I also have 2 different ways to control my mouse when I need my computer. The first method that I use is just a simple USB optical mouse, which I use most of the time when I'm sitting at my desk. However, if there is something I need to be precise about, I have a Bluetooth mouse built into my power wheelchair. This can also act as an adaptive switch if I need it. I will go into more detail later on. Next on the list is a virtual keyboard. I use virtual keyboards when I don't want to open Dragon up just to do a simple keyboard shortcut such as Ctrl+L for navigating to the top of a browser window. This is only one of many things virtual keyboards can be useful for. As I mentioned previously, my power wheelchair has an adaptive switch built in as part of the joystick. I usually activate my switch when I am playing video games or editing a video. The switch allows me to set up several steps at once. For instance, if I am playing American Truck Simulator, I need to be able to drive and steer at the same time. Thanks to the switch, I am able to accomplish this by pushing diagonally on the switch either in the left or the right direction. The final piece of software that I use is a program called Natural Reader. This is a text-to-speech program that allows me to read PDFs and websites just by opening the file location or pasting the website link into the program. I can also save the audio as an MP3, so if I want to, I can listen to my book on the go. The program also has a feature called Optical Character Recognition. This means I can take a picture from my phone of a piece of mail or something that I need to have read, and it will convert it into text, which will then be read by the software. In summary, as a quadriplegic, you can use the computer with the help of various software and hardware tools. You can use Dragon Professional Individual 15.0 for typing and creating custom commands, a USB optical mouse or Bluetooth mouse built into your power wheelchair for controlling the mouse cursor, virtual keyboards for easy access to keyboard shortcuts, and an adaptive switch for playing video games or editing videos. You can also use Natural Reader for text-to-speech functionality and optical character recognition to read PDFs, websites, and even images of text. These tools can help make your computer use more accessible and efficient.